Hi there, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of the human body. Today we are diving deep into the incredible journey of digestion. Get ready to be amazed as we take a captivating tour through the wonders of our digestive system. Our digestive system is like a well coordinated team working tirelessly to break down the food we eat into essential nutrients that fuel our bodies. So, let's meet the star players of this team and see how they work together to create the magic of digestion. First up, we have the mouth, the gateway to our digestive adventure. As we take our first bite, our teeth begin the process of mechanical digestion, breaking down the food into smaller, more manageable pieces. The saliva in our mouth, containing enzymes, also begins the chemical breakdown of carbohydrates. Once we have thoroughly chewed our food, it's time to swallow. As the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube, it enters the stomach. Our next stop on this exciting journey. Inside the stomach, food encounters a powerful blend of gastric juices, including hydrochloric acid and enzymes. These work together to break down proteins and kill harmful bacteria, ensuring our safety. The stomach's muscular contractions churn and mix the food, creating a soapy mixture called chyme. Now our chyme is ready to move on to the small intestine, the longest part of the digestive tract. Here it receives a warm welcome from the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, who assist in the breakdown of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for nutrient absorption. This incredible absorption process allows nutrient to enter our bloodstream and provide energy for our body's needs. While most of the nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine, there is still some work to be done. The remaining indigestible materials moves into the large intestine where water is absorbed and the formation of feces begins. Our journey concludes in the rectum and the last stop on our tour, the anus. When the time is right, the muscles in the rectum contract, signaling the need for elimination. And with that, our digestive adventure comes to an end. Is that it incredible how our body works tirelessly to process the food we eat? From the moment it enters our mouth to its ultimate exit, every step of digestion plays a crucial role in our overall health and well being. So, next time you sit down for a meal, take a moment to appreciate the amazing journey your food goes through in your body. Remember, a healthy digestive system is the key to a healthy life. Thanks for joining us today on this fantastic voyage through the digestive system. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating adventures in the world of science. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.